at A to J above. Thank you.
I find reaction of some members. So let me remind the members what I learned early in my parliamentary career. When these reports are laid on the table of the House, and sometimes it is felt number of the reports are laid on the table at one time, members have a right to raise issues about the delay also, and also to go through the contents. That will be extremely rewarding, and I am sure Professor Ram Gopal Yadav will agree with me. Am I right, sir? No, Professor will agree. Honorable members,
इसलिए एग्री ही करता हूं.
Sir, being in disagreement and being disagreeable are two different things. You will never be in disagreement. Honorable members, 8 notices have been received under Rule 267. The notices of Shri Sukhender Shekhar Rai, Shri Mohammad Nadimul Haq, Shrimati Mosam B. Noor, Susri Dola Sen, Shri Saket Gokhale, and Susri Sushmita Dev. These honorable members have demanded discussion over the alleged lapse of Election Commission in issuance of multiple duplicate electors' photo identity cards, EPICS, across the states. The notice of Shri Sanjay Singh demands a discussion over inadequate state-advised price SAP for sugarcane farmers, particularly in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The notice of Shri Haris Biran demands discussion on the issue of recovery of huge amounts of cash from the residence of a sitting judge of Delhi High Court. Honorable members, I am left with no option but to reiterate what I have done quite often. The rulings imparted from the chair on Rule 267 on 8th December 2022 and 19th December 2022. These rulings will again be uploaded today for the benefit of members and for their information on the portal. The same have been reiterated a number of times. These notices do not conform with the directives imparted by the chair. The same are declined. But one thing which is very fundamental, if an honorable member of parliament in the Council of States feels invocation of Rule 267 is imperative, his or her presence is minimal requirement. I find some of the members who have raised Rule 267 notices today, I would not like to name them, are not present in the House. That does not reflect the kind of spirit that is required for Rule 267. I will try to accommodate the members on these issues in 0 hour over coming days, if the members would so want.